aims of New Education Policy 2020 is to provide universal and free access to education to all the individuals in India so that a 100% rate of literacy can be achieved in the coming years, and also to provide career guidance to all students in India from time to time. For this reason, in the coming years, the need for career counselors is going to be huge. Do you know more than 92% of students in India do not get any type of career guidance in their entire life whatsoever? Hi everyone, welcome back to Offbeat Psychology. My name is Tanishka. In today's video, I would be telling you how to become a career counselor. A career counselor is an individual who helps students in deciding which are the best subjects, stream and career for him or her in accordance to his or her aptitude, interest and abilities. Because no two individuals are born same, everyone is different, everyone is blessed with different talents, and that's the reason why a career counselor is needed. A lot of parents want their children to become something and the child has his or her own different interests altogether, and a career counselor has a huge role here to play. These days, career counselors use psychometric tests which are mostly computer based. In initial days, the same career counseling test used to be in paper pencil format. Let's consider the question why you need a career counselor. So a career counselor is needed not just to help you decide which is the best subject, stream or career for you, but if you are already in a particular career and you are very confused what you should be doing in your life and you are not satisfied in your career, then also a career counselor can help you. Another way in which a career counselor can help you is to resolve the conflict between you and your parents. So if you want to become an actor or a singer or anything different and your parents want you to become an IAS officer or an engineer, doctor, in that case there's a lot of conflict between the parents and the child. So here also a career counselor resolves those conflicts using the counseling skills he or she comes up with. Career counselors also help with the application procedure if you want to apply to any particular college or institution, whether in India or abroad. And career counselors also help you in finding scholarship programs. And a career counselor also helps you to prepare for a college or job interview. Now let's consider the question, what is the minimum eligibility criteria or qualification required to become a career counselor? So you need to be at least a graduate, and if you're a postgraduate, then you have to be a postgraduate either in psychology or masters in social work. Apart from this, if you're a principal, a coordinator, a school counselor or teacher in an educational institution, then also career counseling is going to be a very good option for you and you can help your students. For graduates who want to become a career counselor, the duration of the course and the fee both are high, and for postgraduates the duration of the course and the fee is both lesser. So for graduates the duration of the course is 6 to 8 months and the amount is almost 60,000 for that entire 6 to 8 month course. There are diploma courses also, there are short-term certification courses also. But if you want to establish yourself as a career counselor, it will be good if you take up a proper diploma course because certificate courses are a little short-term. For postgraduates, the duration of the course is 3 months and the fee is somewhere between 25 to 36,000. Skills required to become a career counselor include: you should have a genuine desire to help the students and the parents by counseling them. You should be good in application of psychometric tests. 3 most popular institutions in India that are providing a diploma program in career counseling include: the first one is iDream Career, which is an organization which is based in New Delhi. So this one, and the second one which I'm going to mention, which is Institute for Career Studies, Lucknow. Both of these have diploma programs and the cost is also same. That means for postgraduates the cost is 24,000 and the duration is 3 months, and for graduates the duration is 6 to 8 months and the course fee is 60,000. It's the same. I have compared for both. I have done my career counseling diploma from ICS, that is Institute for Career Studies. The third one is Global Career Counselor. This one is offering diploma and certification program and the cost is around 32 to 36,000. They always provide you some discount and then make it 32,000, but actual cost is like 36,000. There are also a few government universities offering courses on vocational guidance and career counseling. 2 most popular ones are Bharatiya University, Coimbatore and Rajiv Gandhi National Institute for Youth Development. Career counselors can also find employment in schools, other educational institutions, corporate offices, and career counseling cells. And of course, you always have the option of establishing your own private counseling cell where you can invite students to come in for counseling session. Initially, you can maybe just charge a little amount. For example, I know that when a person is just starting off as a career counselor, you get say around 200 to 250 for one session from one student, and one session will last you around 40 minutes to 60 minutes. And the senior career counselors are paid somewhere between 600 to 1000 per student. So you can imagine, the more students you get, the better you will be able to earn from your career counseling career. After establishing your private practice, you can personally go and talk to the principals of all the schools in your city and approach them for career counseling, because this is the need for the hour, and after new education policy, the demand for career counselors has already started increasing a lot. And in India, there are hardly any career counselors. You will not. Alright, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please be subscribed to Offbeat Psychology in order to receive all the notifications. Thank you so much.